Welcome to Sadbhavna News and I am Poonam Sharma. Food Secretary Sudhanshu Pandey on Friday said the country's fuel ethanol consumption is set to rise and the government is targeting the implementation of motor fuel blending at the rate of E20, that is 20 to 80 ratio ethanol gasoline by the year 2024. Motor fuel blending of 20% will become mandatory from 2025, he said. While delivering the inaugural addressing an event organized by the Indian Sugar Mills Association ISMA, he said that the government has come out with regulations for the automobile sector, according to which E10, that is 10:90 ratio in ethanol is to gasoline, has already been allowed. By 2025, the 20% fuel blending target shall be achieved by using 17 million ton of food grains, which is also surplus. This move will help farmers, industry and the environment. Currently, the country has 90 million ton of food stock in public stock holding. Many countries thought that stock is burdening the market. But during the COVID-19 pandemic, almost 60 million ton of food grains were distributed free of cost to 800 million people. This helped the country fight COVID-19 pandemic in an effective way. Now India will be moving towards E20 target by using about 17 million ton of food grains for ethanol production, he said. Further, the country also intends to move towards flexi-fuel engines so that higher level of blending is permitted in the country, he declared. Pandey said that the automobile industry has been invited to bring in technology which is already available globally so that surplus food grains and sugarcane are used, providing relief to all stakeholders in the entire ecosystem. Outlining India's journey towards the use of ethanol, he said that a policy was made to divert excess production to ethanol production. The industry came forward in a big way and last year 2 million ton of sugar were diverted towards ethanol production. This year we hope to divert 3.5 million ton and next year 6 million ton of sugar will be reduced and diverted towards ethanol production. India started this journey very late and the country was not sure about achieving a balance between sugar and ethanol. With our own consumption of 26 million ton, we were producing 40 to 45 lakh ton of surplus sugar every year, he pointed out. With sugar prices remaining depressed, the impact was felt by farmers with delayed payments and mounting arrears. Abhinash Verma, Director General ISMA, stated that India has become a surplus sugar producer in the last 10 years. The country is expected to produce 31 million ton of sugar in the 2021-22 season with an estimated sugar consumption of 26.5 million ton and exports of 6 million ton, he said. The closing balance as on September 30 is 7 million ton, he added. To reduce surplus sugar, mills are diverting to production of ethanol and opting for exports, he said. With incentives coming from the government, the industry is targeting the production of 14 billion litres of ethanol by 2025 from 3.5 billion litres of annual capacity in 2018. The target is to divert 6 million ton of surplus to ethanol by 2025, he said. Powered by Arthros Clinic, a dedicated center for arthroscopy and sports injuries.